We are witnessing amazing developments in what we call last mile delivery. I am about 2 miles away from our main Amazon warehouse. I am almost down to 1 hour delivery. I can go online and I can order a product on Amazon and my door will ring 1 hour later with delivery of the product. The world of logistics and supply chain is being forever transformed by same-day logistics, same-day shipping, automated drone delivery. We will see this happen perhaps sooner than we think. I spoke to a home builder in Houston, and do you know what he is planning to do for the next generation of homes that he will build? He is going to have a drone delivery pad on the driveway where an Amazon drone can come in and land with an automated robotic locker, which will grab the package and pull it into the locker so that it is safe. People are talking about architecting and building this future.